So dito na tayo sa Schedule 2 for 8%. So sales revenue receipts, fees, yan, net of sales returns, allowances, and discounts. So again, yung may video tayo niyan yung kung paano nyo ma-generate yung income summary, if income statement niyo if ever Lazada, Shopee, TikTok. So again, yung gross yung kailangan nyo dito ilalagay ha. So hindi nyo i-deduct yung mga commission, yung mga fees, yung mga platform fees, hindi nyo i-deduct dito. So yung gross amount, i-less nyo lang if ever may mga sales returns, allowances, and discounts. So for example, ano tayo, 200,000 yung ating first quarter. So again, this is from January to March ninyo na net sales. So 200,000 and then non-operating income. So hindi siya related sa inyong business. If may mga other non-operating kayo, mga earnings, ganun, mga nagbenta kayo ng garage, nag-garage sale kayo, yung mga tipong ganun na hindi siya related sa inyong business. So other income ninyo yan. So in most cases naman, zero lang yung nilalagay dyan sa non-operating income. So that will give us itong total income for the quarter, 200,000. So add total taxable income loss previous quarter. So first quarter pa lang ito, so wala pa tayong previous quarter. So zero lang yung ilalagay nyo dyan. So yung cumulative taxable income natin as of this quarter is still 200,000. So less, ito na tayo sa yung pinaka-importante, is the less allowable reduction from gross sales receipts and other non-operating income. So applicable lang to. Again, applicable lang ito if you are purely doing business or purely practicing ng inyong profession. So if mixed income earner kayo, if employed kayo, and at the same time may business kayo, wala na kayong allowable reduction. So yung allowable reduction natin is 250,000. Yan. So that will give us itong taxable loss tayo. Mas malaki kasi yung allowable reduction natin kaysa dun sa ating sales revenue. So yan, 50,000 yung total ano natin. In most cases yan naman talaga yon if hindi pa lalagpas sa 250,000 yung ating sales for our first quarter. So normal lang yan na magkaka-negative taxable loss tayo. 50,000. So negative siya. So automatic yan yung tax due natin is 0.